These nuts. Okay, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be reacting to Dhar. Back the full screen button.
Let's go what I bought for our trip to Legoland this week. No, that's so cool. Wait, how'd you even convince your mom to go? I thought you were grounded. I just told her I wouldn't fail any test this month. But what she doesn't know is I don't have any tests. I am such a genius.
Was that spicy cheese that you put in your mouth when you didn't even wash your hands and you probably just picked your nose 30 seconds ago?
Maybe at least to wash your hands first. Look, you scared of G. So, watch out. You almost pulled the fire alarm.
Morning, boys.
Good morning. What you got there, Mr. Wilson?
What do you mean this? This is a surprise.
That doesn't sound good. Not at all. You've got to be kidding me. He's gonna give us a pop quiz.
Who likes pop quizzes? And my teacher never gives me pop quizzes.
Yeah, probably. I gotta find somewhere to get out of it. Come on, the reading last time was easy. It was? Yeah, didn't you do it? And miss out on my huge Minecraft tournament? No way. I gotta get out.
Or you're like a professional Minecrafter? You're like 5 or something. Maybe grade 4?
Here we go again. I can pretend I'm sick. You already did that like 5 times and it never works. True.
A, why'd you do it 5 times? B, why'd you do it 5 times? C, why do you have a Minecraft tournament?
Maybe I could pretend like I broke my leg by slipping in this hallway. Well, it's pretty hard to pretend that you broke a bone. Jay, when you broke your arm, was it all hunky dory? Yeah, dude.
Is it like the thing that's like in from like Finding Nemo, like Dory?
That won't work. Besides, they're installing cameras now, so it'll be obvious you're faking it. Good morning.
Hey, good morning.
So when do you think you'll have it working?
I'm having a problem with the server. They're not connecting. Hopefully by tomorrow.
Great. Thank you so much. Today's my lucky day.
Why do you need cameras in a school? Was like a secret agent gonna rob the school, like James Bond or something?
Mikey, we have to tell you every single time. Running away from problems just makes them worse. Please, Derek. I've been running away from my problems since first grade. Look where it's gotten me. Where? Yeah, you've been suspended at least 5 times. You have been grounded.
Suspended 5 times. You would probably like get sent home for like a month or something. Yeah.
Every single summer. And what's your GPA again? I don't want to talk about that. But I'm still the coolest kid in school. Yeah, right. Alright, look, I'm running out of time, alright? Come on, Mikey. Face it. There's nothing you can do at this point. Don't underestimate me, alright? Look, I'll figure something out.
Okay, do not turn these over just yet. Hey, Mikey, no snacks in class. Put that away, please. Hey, you're supposed to use a cracker, not your finger. All right, everybody, what I have for you here is going to just have to wait 1 second. Keep him down, please. I'll be ready.
Did you hear what happened at Chesterfield High? Some punk pulled the fire alarm. They had to evacuate the whole school.
Well, they got the guy that did it.
Last I heard, they hadn't figured out who it was.
I got it. You got what? I'm gonna put the fire alarm. What? That's a terrible idea. You're gonna get caught on camera. He said the camera won't be working till tomorrow. What do you think? You think that's going to go too far, Mikey? What is it?
Who in the right mind would pull a fire alarm? And yeah.
Test for fingerprints. I'll pull it in my shirt. That way there's no fingerprints. I'm pretty sure, Mikey, that pulling a fire alarm is an actual crime. There could be very serious consequences. That's if I got caught, which will never happen. Do I have to explain it to you every single time? Your plans.
You're definitely gonna get caught because the fire department will probably come or something.
Never work. Jinx. No, I said it first. Of course they do. I'll prove it. Mr. Wilson, can I use the bathroom real quick, please?
Yeah, okay, Mikey. Just hurry back.
Thank you.
He said, why is there a key to the bathroom?
Excuse me. Thank you.
He's James Bond right now.
Hey, young man, you need help with something?
Nope, just go into the bathroom.
Well, you're going in the wrong direction. Bathroom is that way.
Oh, yes, I know. I'm just getting something from my locker.
Okay, well, when you do go, be very careful of the wet floor. Okay?
Yes, sir.
One of the toilets overflowed.
How does your toilet overflow? Did someone take a mess of turd in it or something?
One of the toilets overflowed.
I hate ads. They smell like cheese.
Let's go. Everybody just remain calm. Remember what we practiced during the fire.
It doesn't look like there's any fire. There would be smoke in the building.
All the other students and teachers evacuated on the west side. Hopefully we'll get an update soon.
What's up, dude? Well, aren't you glad I got us out of that pop quiz?
Where do we actually do that?
Oh, and to add on,
Why would you do that?
I also didn't get caught. Woo! Yeah, not yet. We'll see about that.
Mike, there you are. I was just inside looking for you. How long have you been out here?
Well, I've been here since we evacuated. You didn't notice?
No. Anyway, I just spoke with Principal Danvers. It sounds like we're going to be out here for a little while longer.
Dang it. I was looking forward to that pop quiz.
Pop quiz?
Mr. Wilson?
Let's go check out.
Yes, of course, Principal Danvers.
What are we going to talk about? The better question is, what rides are we going on when we get to Legoland, baby? See, I was thinking about that. Well, there's more to life than just skipping tests and going to amusement park. There isn't.
Yes, there is very much to life. You have to play all the video games.
Mikey, he's right. You can't just expect to always get away without being caught. As my dad always says, running away from your problems just makes them worse. Well, my dad says, let them want to see. What's your point? What it means is to stop pulling more pranks, or else you won't be able to come to Legoland. Yeah, and Mom might even take you to a tower again. You know what? Instead of being grateful, you guys are making me feel bad for what I did.
All right, well, we're just waiting for the fire department to finish their rounds and make sure that everybody's safe.
The fire department's here?
Yeah, they respond to every fire alarm.
Right.
Yeah.
This is Captain Stoll. He's going to be asking everybody some questions today.
Nice to meet you. So, looks like it was a false alarm. It's not the first time this has happened today, so we got some more info. What did you guys doing right before the alarm?
Well, I had just handed everybody some paperwork. Teacher came in, told me about what happened at Chesterfield, and then. No, I don't know.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Wilson.
Of course. Hey, you know what? I actually did give Mikey the key to the bathroom.
You did?
Yeah. Mikey, did you see it?
Never pull a fire alarm in class. Please do not. I do not want to be responsible for that.
No, actually, I heard someone running down the hall before the fire alarm went off, but that's all I remember.
All right. Well, Captain Stoll, could you show us what you found so far?
Of course, follow me.